Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. Happy Cast Iron Wednesday. Thought I'd do some fish tacos, just sounded kind of good. But I'm going to be honest, I was lacking a little motivation to do this video. Actually, I was going to do it last week and I was just like, I came in the kitchen at last second, decided not to film it. I just cooked it, ate it at the computer. Anyway, let's get to it. Alright, so I literally just turned on my oil. Here's my fish. I got $6.69 worth of Pacific cod, which I actually bought yesterday. Alright, get this fish cut and prepped. I don't want to do huge pieces because basically it's going in a taco. Does this thing have bones in it? I'm feeling the spine of something here. Yeah, I think it does have bones in it. So I'll just cut that whole piece out. And just do small ones like this. So I'm going to be eating more fish than probably tacos, but that's fine. Where do I feel those bones at? Cut that one off. I'll just throw that whole piece out. I'll just cook that whole piece as is. Alright. Alright. So I got quite the mess going here. So I'm going to go, I don't know, that much flour. Get that out of my way. I'm going to season the flour. I got some the Slap Yo Mama white. I don't know, that much. I didn't measure. Got a little time. I figured why not. And then I've got some Old Bay. So it's pretty simple, really. Just first you dust in flour, then you dip in egg, then you bread it in. I'm going to use panko, which I got right here, which I still have from the last video. Oh, it's got a zip top. So I'll pour, I don't know, half of this bag. I can always pour a little bit more in there. Let me, alright, hopefully you guys can see all this. So, dust in flour. Dip in your egg wash. Which I may have gotten a little too thin, but. And then panko. I'm going to go ahead and just bread all of this at one go. A little piece here. I could be mistaken, but I believe that you could bread these and then refreeze it. Could be wrong about that. Alright, I think you get the idea. I'm going to go ahead and bread up all the rest of this and then I'll... Alright, so let me go over the production line here. This is going to be for steaming these. I do have a steamer, but basically it runs full blast, so I didn't want to use it. Oil is hot and ready. I got my baking pan here with tongs. And again, if you're picking stuff up, don't do this, because they'll run down that track safety first. I got this ready to collect the fish. I just turned my fryer on, my water on, so that might bite me in the ass a little bit, but let's go ahead and start deep frying. Get you in here real close so you can see the hot oil action. There's some speckles of stuff in there because I actually made fish and chips last week. And then I got my chopsticks, which I actually don't know how to use chopsticks. But I got these for turning said fish. And when you drop fish in, when you drop it in, let it fall away from you so it doesn't splash up on you. Like that. That's these here. I might be able to fry all this in just 2 batches. So it's all submerged, so I don't really have to worry about flipping it. Although I'm probably still going to anyway. Temperature is up to 370. I can back the oil off just a touch. I'm going to go ahead and flip these anyway. And my water is starting to heat up. Although I put it on really high, so doing some float action. Damn it. You have to shut the damn door. So, remember what I said, away from you. Because it splashes, it's gonna splash that way, and not on your flesh. So, alright. Now we're cooking. Forgot to close my bedroom door. I'm gonna put 3 of these in the strainer here to soften up the shells, and I'll just put a lid on top. It's one of the reasons I went to the Asian market, because I was looking for a something to steam it with. Now these are small pieces, so they should cook pretty quick. Yeah, look how nice this came out. Alright, take that lid off. And just give these guys a turn. I just had a little splash hit my hand. I think those are done. See? Down. I know I keep repeating myself, but 1, I've done that before, and 2, it really freaking hurts. Cool. Go ahead and turn that off. Then I'll check the shells, and they're nice and soft. Go ahead and kill that for now. Sweet. Alright. Let's assemble. So I'll get a piece of fish. Piece of fish. Now this lemon I opened up last week, but it should still have enough juice. Hopefully it didn't turn too dry on me. A little lemon. By the way, don't throw this away right away, because you can cut it up and throw it through your your garbage disposal in your sink, and you can freshen it with a lemon, since you're going to throw it out anyway. You don't need a whole lot, just a little piece. We get some cheddar cheese here. We got some lettuce. I do have tomatoes out, but I got cherry tomatoes. I don't know if that would be really good on there or not. Let's adjust the camera. Alrighty. Decided to splurge on a beer. I got Dad's Diet Root Beer. Oh yeah. Thought I'd just try a piece of fish just by itself, see how it came out. Oh yeah. Money. I don't know if you can hear that crisp. Cooked all the way through. Money. A little tough to put down, to be honest. And here's the taco. Oh yeah. Alright, I went ahead and paused so I could chew, but that was quite good. I'm gonna go ahead and eat my dinner now. I got the rest of my tacos, and I'm gonna go chill on the computer and watch your videos. So, alright, I'll be back. Alrighty, well, empty plate. I was actually gonna do some kind of a homemade tartar sauce to go with it, but like a dope, I totally forgot to look up the ingredients, make sure I had everything I need to make it when I got home, because I got some Duke's mayonnaise, had some lemon, I could have put some zest in it, you know, did it up right. I forgot to Google all the ingredients. When I was at the store, I was like, so I left it off, and actually I didn't really miss it, so it was still just as good. Ate all the fish, tacos were good. Yeah, not bad. I gotta strain the grease, which I'll do tomorrow, so I can wash out the Dutch oven. It's a little brown, but I could probably cook something else in it. Probably fish again. I can smell kind of fish, but we'll see. Because I can probably get another use, maybe two. Excuse me. Anyway, don't forget to check the playlist and the description for Cast Iron Wednesday. Excuse me. Wow, I was fine until I turned the camera on. Last week's video will be on the end, plus the playlist for Cast Iron Wednesday. Have a great day. Enjoy the rest of your week. We'll catch you in the next one.